Please be advised of the disclaimers.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Pinnacle Trading here. So let's go ahead and take a look at Shopify stock today. Is it overbought? Is it a good time to start shorting it and play option puts on it? Let's go ahead and look at the analysis. Before we get into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you can stay up to date on all my newest videos and my trade ideas. So let's go ahead and look at the Shopify stock right now. So today it closed at around 310 or so, and looking at the weekly chart, what I'm seeing is, we're seeing the stock sell off a little bit here. We're seeing it below VWAP here, VWAP over there. But let's go ahead and look at the overall chart, the 1 year chart. So what happened in December of last year, 2018? So we're in 2019, June 2019 right now. So we've seen the stock just take off. So it's been up and down sideways. And what happened? Earnings were good. It got a lot of good news. They had a lot of growth, really good revenue. And what happened? It went all the way from about 120 all the way up to about 315.6 at highs. So almost tripling right there. So about 250, 270% growth on this stock right there in just 1 year so far, in just 6 months. So what's going on right now with this? Let's zoom in a little bit on this region right here. So we can see our side is overbought. It's in the red right there. It's above 70. Whenever the RSI is below 30, that means it's oversold. Above 70 means overbought. And it hit all the way at about 90 plus on the RSI right there. It goes from 0 to 100. And looking at the MACD, let's zoom in a little bit on this one. That's the line right here. Again, we're seeing that overbought as well. So being that it's way over the EMA, it's way over 50 SMA and 200 SMA, what I see is we're definitely going to be seeing some sort of sell-off or correction on the stock before it takes off again. Again, could be wrong, it could still keep going, but that's where we get into technical analysis, and we don't take a position until we see confirmation. So where do we see confirmation on this stock right now? So let's go ahead and pull up the Fibonacci chart on this one. If you're a member of the chat room, you do have the script available for free, which I give out. And looking at this, we're seeing solid support right here at 268.88. But where am I going to be taking a position? Again, I'm not a financial advisor in any way. These are just my opinion and my strategies, my analysis on the stock. Where am I going to be taking a position? I'm looking to take a short below 300. So as soon as I see the 300 support break, I'm looking for it to test about 295, and then I want to see the big drop from there, big gap fill all the way down to 280 and 268, and then let's see if it could potentially bounce up from there or keep coming down. So let's go ahead and look at the weekly chart on this one. So let's go ahead back into the regular chart and look at the weekly chart. So you can see on this one, every time this line right here, every time it hits that 300, it makes a bounce. Every time it hits that 300 right here, what happened? It made the bounce. It dipped below 300 pre-market, but every time I hit that 300, made a bounce. So I want to wait for that 300 to break, come down, test between that level about 290, and then take a short, initial short from there. So next thing we also want to look at is the options on this one. So again, if you don't know what options are, make sure to head over to my other videos and look at how to trade options, and Investopedia.com is also a great site to learn about it as well. Looking at the options on this, I'm looking for about July, which gives me a good expiration and not too much going on right here. So, but once you look at end of June or so, we see more volume, more open interest on this one here, but not too much. Going even to June, we're seeing a little bit more on the put side. So I'm not going to go too into depth on this, but we're not seeing a crazy option volume on this one yet. So that's why I want to wait for the confirmation, test below 290, test and break that support, and then come down. That's where I'll be taking my short and maybe a put spread or a put position on this one, initial position, and then add on from there. So if you like this video, make sure to head out to my channel and click that subscribe button and the bell button, and also make sure to support Pinnacle Trading on our social media. And if you want to receive live trading alerts where I call these out, these videos might be a little bit delayed, or you might not receive the alerts immediately, getting the trades immediately. But if you want to get the live trading alerts by the second, head over, you can join my chat room Now head over to pinnacletrading.us, scroll down, click the join now button to get a 1-week free trial of the premium chat room to test it out. And also we have membership, we can join immediately, and that's a simple month-to-month plan pricing. Also do have mentorship plans where I teach traders, investors live one-to-one from the basic to advanced strategies that have worked for me and that have been profitable for me, and I teach the same ones to other people as well. So again, if this video helped you out, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button, and let me know in the comments what you think about Shopify stock. You think it's going to keep going up, or it's going to come down, or do you see correction, or will it just move sideways? Let me know what you think. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.